Hello everyone, today I'm going to be covering how to rename our PocketLab devices. If you have a class with multiple PocketLabs and all the students try to connect to them at the same time, they might not know which PocketLab they're connecting to. So it's very important that we rename them ahead of time. First thing we want to do is to go to our PocketLab app page in a web browser or your smartphone or any tablet of your preference. We want to turn on our PocketLab and connect to it. Make sure that only one PocketLab is turned on. Here you see that it will show up. In this case, we have our PocketLab weather. We pair to it, and it will slowly connect to our PocketLab as usual. Now, if you want to know if you have the correct PocketLab, you can do a few tests, but for this example, I only have one. We can go directly to rename it. To rename our PocketLab, we go to the settings icon, which is a small gear. We click there and it will show up rename device. Now we can name our devices in any way we want, but I highly recommend you use something as group 1, group 2, or PocketLab 1 and 2. We save our name. And now for the change to actually take place in our device, we have to turn it off. So hold the top button until you see a red light show up. And also you'll see that we will get a little message saying that we have lost connection to our device. So we refresh our page and then we turn on our PocketLab again and we connect to it. Now you see that instead of saying PocketLab weather, it says PocketLab group 1, which was the name that we just gave it. Make sure that you use a label or a permanent marker to write that name in the actual PocketLab device. This way, there will be no more confusion when your students try to connect to their PocketLabs in the classroom. Thank you so much, and please let us know if you have any questions.